Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing some new bullet journals that I received for free from Kuma Stationery. And you guys should definitely check out their website. They have so many cute things on there. But what I'm going to be unboxing today are some journals from the Luna collection. So the character that you see on both of the journals is a red panda, and that's their mascot. So the blue book has a linen cover, and this is called the Moonlit Potions Journal. It's a limited edition journal. Like I said, it has a linen cover, and then hand stamped in gold foil on the front is the little Kuma red panda bear in a potions bottle. And the edge of the notebook is super pretty. It has these twinkle designs on the side, and then on the outside edge there is also a gold stamp. The purple book has a vegan leather cover, and this one is called the Cosmic Kuma Journal, and it also has the Kuma logo stamped on with gold foil. So both of these are size A5 journals. They're made out of bamboo paper, and the paper is ultra thick with a dot grid on it. And the nice thing about these journals is the pages lay completely flat, so that's really convenient when you're using the journal. You don't have to worry about the pages coming up. Each of the journals comes with a ribbon bookmark, and it also has a pocket in the back, which is perfect for sticker sheets and other journaling supplies. And it also comes with this metal bookmark that features the red panda on it. And the nice thing about these journals is they come in this durable box, which you can use to store and protect your journal, or you can just use it to store stationery supplies in. So I really love these journals. I like how they thought of all these small details when they were designing it, and I highly recommend it.